Alright, today we're drawing Shaggy. You're going to start with actually an oval head. Like, a lot of these drawings have, like, circle heads, you know? That's just how people draw cartoons, but Shaggy actually has more of an oval head. So we're going to give him these, like, creepy eyes here. Like, he's staring into your soul with only, like, a fourth of his power or something. I don't have a clue. We're going to put that on there. He's got these little fuzzies on there. He's like a little... I don't know. He's like a little armadillo. Why did I say armadillo? I don't know. Anyway, we're going to put him over here. Gonna give him a shirt. You know, gonna give him these creepy hands. He's got these really creepy hands on him. By the way, he's pointing at the like button because he wants you to like the video. If you could like the video, that'd be very helpful. Really helps the channel and helps, you know, spread these weird drawings out to more people. But there's him some pants or shorts. I don't know what he's wearing. All right, and that's Shaggy. You know what? I think Shaggy needs a friend. He's really creepy and all, so he scares away all his friends. So we're going to force this Funko Pop of Scooby-Doo to be his friend. We're just going to put him right there. You can see the fear in his eyes there, but that's all right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on being amazing, and I'll see you in the next one.